This is a tutorial on how to answer exercise 12.7 part A in the lab book. So it says, first, let's practice calculating ages using tables 12.1 and 12.2. How old is a rock if it contains, and then the first part says a uranium-235 to lead-207 ratio of 46.62. So I wrote that information here, uranium-235 to lead-207, and the ratio between the parent isotopes and the daughter atoms is 46.62. So the first thing we're going to do is look at table 12.2, which is on page 317. So table 12.2 shows you the parent atoms remaining in percentage. It shows you the parent to daughter ratio, the number of half-lives that have elapsed, and then it gives you a formula that says to multiply the half-life by whatever these numbers are in order to determine the age of the rock. So the question tells us that the ratio is 46.62. So we're talking about the ratio. So you go down the column and here's 46.62. That tells us that 1/32 is the number of half-lives that have elapsed. And it says multiply the half-life by 0.031. So then we go to table 12.1, and here's uranium-235, lead-207, and it tells us that the half-life is 713 million. So I'm going to go ahead and set that up. So you write 713 million times 0.031. And we got that from this table down here. And then you do the calculation. So take a minute and do the calculation. You could pause the recording to do the calculation before I give you the answer. And then you should get $22,103,000 years old. So that is how old a rock is if it contains uranium-235 lead-207 ratio of 46.62. It is this age here.